Yeah, good day everyone. Whichever part of the country you're joining us from, you're highly welcome, right? So this is to let you know how to plot psychological levels on Bitcoin USD. But first of all, before I start plotting the psychological level, I have to tell you the reason of what a psychological level is and why we use psychological level and the importance of psychological level while trading Bitcoin USD. Psychological level is undeniably one of the most important tools for you to use in Bitcoin if you really want to make money from Bitcoin. And psychological levels are just round numbers. It's just like you going to a supermarket, you want to purchase a clothes, and they give you the clothes for, let's say, $1,000. When you want to bargain, you don't bargain for $999. You bargain for $950, $925, $900. You don't bargain $999. So this is just like human disposition. This is how human beings think. We like to negotiate at a round number. So that same thing, that same ideology, that's what we used to impute on Bitcoin USD. And always note that Bitcoin USD is they're moved by masses, they're moved by human beings. It's not a robot that trades them. So it's the same thing that applies on the real world that also applies on the chart, because currency is based on human buying and selling. You need to understand, for you to be able to make profit, consistent profit in Bitcoin, you have to understand psychological levels, which are very, very, very important. Right now, let's hop on to the screen and let me show you how to plot psychological levels properly. So this Bitcoin USD, and I'm on 4 hours time frame. So you can see 4 hours time frame. But I want you to let you know something about psychological levels. Each psychological level plot on the 4 hours time frame. It's the same thing with one plotted on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly time frame, on the 1 hour, 3 hours, 2 hours, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and 1 minute. So it's very important for you to note that. So there are two types of psychological levels here. So I'll write it down here on the screen. There are one, you have to know there is what? A main psychological level. The main psychological level, right? And this for one. And the two is what? Sub-psychological level. So these are the two types of psychological levels, and this one ends at what? 0, 0. Always know this one ends at 0, 0, and this one ends at what? 5, 0. Just like when you go to the supermarket and you want to purchase something, probably a pair of Gucci t-shirts, they give it to you for $1,000. You can price it down to $950. So you price it to $950 is what? Is a sub-psychological level. But when you price it down to $900 is a what? Is a main psychological level. So these are the psychology behind this main psychological level and the sub-psychological level. When you want to plot it, you come to the left-hand side here, come to horizontal line, and place it on the current market price. So the current market price, as I'm speaking to you right now, is $28,094.8. So we move this 8 to 0, and we plot what will be $28,050. That is psychological level. And the next psychological level will be what? $28,100. So if you want to know whether you're correct, you have to make sure that the sub-psychological level to the main psychological level is a difference of 50 pips, right? So if you want to check it out, you come to the left-hand side, click on this your measure rule, and place it from here to this place where it's set. So it's 50 pips approximately, all right? So this is how to measure and how to know your psychological levels. I can go on and on to show you how this is being plotted. So let me continue. So this is $8,100. The next one will be what? To come to this horizontal line. Remember, click on it, double click it, and next one will be 150 exactly. This number, that means you're correct. So the next one should be what? As simple as that. 28,200. That's it. The next one should be what? 28,250. Correct. 250. So that's it basically. The psychological levels, you don't need to crack your brain behind it. It's just simple as I stated here. Just practice it and you get it instantly. These are part of the confidences that you'll be needing to be able to enter for a buy or sell while trading Bitcoin. All right. So let's have an amazing and beautiful day.